First, I want to start out by saying that this assignment, Holistic Health for Beginners, is definitely speaking to me. I'm a beginner in learning about mental health and holistic health, but the assignment that we have, I'm definitely a beginner in listening to podcasts. When I'm in the car or just having downtime, most of the time I just want to listen to music. That's what speaks to me. That's what I enjoy doing. I don't take the time to listen to different podcasts. But I will say after this assignment, I think that's something I'm going to look into a little bit more. I also want to say to you, Professor, thank you very much for this class, the education, your time, and your professionalism through this whole term. Now, getting to the podcast that I picked, which leads right into my first positive. My first positive is the name of the podcast 10% Happier. Wow. I mean, if everybody could just focus on being 10% happier, imagine how much better our lives would be. And it's talking about being able to deal with anxiety and being able to focus on things that help you get through anxiety when you have times of fear, times of worry, and not letting that anxiety overtake you and go into a panic attack. I will say one of the negatives about it is it was a little bit monotone for me at times and a little bit long. I'm not big on that. I think that it needs to be a little quicker on attention grabbing. So that would be really the only negative I have to say is that it wasn't very exciting. It didn't just grab my attention. I had to deeply listen to it. So I don't know that it's one I would pick again. However, I thought the content was very, very strong. Some tips that they gave as far as when you're having an anxiety attack, if you can, stop and write down what's going on. If you can't, when you get out of the anxiety attack and you get back to feeling a little better, recount what happened and what led to that and be able to notice those triggers or notice things that cause worry and start planning on how to deal with it next time that comes up. I did gain valuable insights. I don't struggle with anxiety. I do have family members that do, so it gave me some insights to try to help them. And it is something that I would recommend to someone as part of a mental health regimen. I think that if you find the right podcast that interests you, that you'll actually listen to and engage in and take to heart, I do think it's something that could definitely help you. So thank you.